Hi friends, you're watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the third video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated every time I upload a new video. And the first organization of this video is Mr. Cooper. So Mr. Cooper is hiring for process associate training. So this is a kind of off-campus drive job. So they will conduct an off-campus drive in a certain area, and the primary work location will be Bengaluru, and primary location region is Karnataka. Those candidates who completed arts and science like BSc, BA candidates are eligible for this job. Basic computer skills and willingness to work in night shifts are their prerequisite for this kind of job. So the people who have completed their BSc or BA or BCom can apply this job. So if you are eligible for this job, you can simply click on apply button and you can apply for this job role. And the second organization is HCL. HCL ERS is hiring for mechanical graduates from 0 to 3 years of experience. The job location is for Bengaluru. Technologies Limited is a leading global IT services company that helps global enterprises reimagine and transform their business through digital technology transformation. The company is primarily engaged in providing a range of software services, business process outsourcing, and infrastructure services. So this is about HCL, and they are looking for minimum 6 months experience in any industry candidates, and their prerequisites will be mechanical graduates, any CAD tool knowledge, minimum 6 months experience in any industry, 60% and above aggregate in 10th, 12th and graduation, ready for 2 years bond with HCL, and the CTC will be 2.5 lakhs per annum. And the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech who are completed mechanical engineering. So the people who are eligible for this job role can simply click on login to apply button and they can apply for this job role. And the next organization is Alarin. So Alarin is hiring for trainee test engineer. A trainee test engineer should have in-depth knowledge about various testing types and methodologies. The candidate would be required to understand and prepare test documents. So the place of employment will be Navi Mumbai, India. Employment type will be full time. So this is a kind of off-campus drive job, and the responsibility should be sound knowledge in various testing methodologies and types, requirements understanding, preparation of testing documents, testing the applications in multiple environments and defect reporting, release activities and procedures. And the qualification for this job role is BCA, BE BTech and BSc. So the educational qualification will be BSc candidates, BCA candidates and BE BTech candidates can also apply for this job. There is an important note is given here: should be able to appear for personal interview in our office at Navi Mumbai. Do not apply if you cannot appear for personal interview. No telephonic round will be conducted. So they are clear in whatever they needed. So if you are eligible and agree to this important term, you can apply for this job by clicking on apply for this position here. And the next organization is HDFC Securities. We all know HDFC is one of the biggest bank in India. So the job description will be query resolution, responsible to attend in bound customer calls, providing the client with the exact and proper solution, able to resolve customer issue quickly and improperly, accelerating the client base, provide information to customers regarding the company offerings, receive, evaluate and answer customer inquiries. So these are the job description for HDFC, and the basic criteria is any graduate. So the people who completed BSc, BTech, BA, BCom, MTech, MSc, so they are all eligible for these job roles, and play to assist customers to onboard them, suggest in-house investment ideas, ability to sell mutual funds, insurance, etc. So the location will be Mumbai, and the interesting candidates can apply by emailing their resume to careers@hdfcscc.com. So this is a customer service kind of job role. So the people who are eligible for all the requirements stated here, they can simply send their resume to careers@hdfc.com. And the next organization is Replicon. Replicon is hiring for test for sales development training. Here we provided the direct link to apply for this job role. The requisite for this job role is the people who completed management kind of courses like MBA, MCA, BBA. So these people can apply for this job role. If you are a management graduate, you can simply click on proceed to register. This organization will come up with an test on Sunday, November 15, 10 a.m. to IST, and set Sunday, November 15, 6 p.m. IST. So in between there is a 1 hour duration of test, and the instructions for the test is given here. And the next organization is Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems is hiring for cloud engineer, Linux shell scripting, New Horizons. We are seeking an experienced cloud support engineer to join the R&D online operations team. You will be reporting to the manager in Pune. What will your job be? The description is given here, and the challenges you will face when you got selected for the job is given here. And your key success factors is Unix, Linux, scripting experience with Shell or Python, working knowledge of cloud, AWS preferred. Good to have knowledge on database and networking. Bachelor's degree, MCA degree is the educational qualification for this job role. 1 to 3 years of experience is enough for this job role. So the people who have completed BSc, BTech and MCA, so these candidates are eligible for this job role. And the next organization is Honeywell. Honeywell is hiring for software engineer, and the address is given here for this Honeywell organization. So the requirements for this job role is understand various software development lifecycle, demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality software, effective communicator, can quickly analyze, incorporate and apply new information concepts, and the ability to code in multiple languages. These are the requirements for this job role. The educational qualification will be bachelor's degree in engineering or computer science, like CSE or ECE engineering graduate with 0 to 2 years of experience will be enough for this job role. And the skills needed for this job role is experience in Java or Android, and ability to develop mobility applications will be added advantage. Good logical and analytical skills, ability to work in an agile team and contribute, Scrum, Agile project experience is an added benefit for this job role. So this is about Honeywell organization. So if you are interested for this job role and you are eligible for this job role, you can simply click on apply now option here, and it will direct you to the further process. And the next organization is Almabase. So Almabase is recruiting for sales development representatives. So if you look at about Almabase, we are on a mission to make education affordable to everyone by helping universities and schools build better relationships with their alumni, which leads to increased donations. And they believe in demonstrating quality education, building a large profitable business, employee wellness, customer success. So this is simply about Almabase. And there is an opportunity for the candidates who have completed their marketing degree like MBA or BBA. The opportunity name is sales development representative, and the compensation will be rupees 7 to 10 lakhs per annum base plus commissions. We prefer that every employee also holds equity in the company. In this role, you will be awarded equity after 12 months based on the impact you have created. Please be aware that the only market you will be selling into in this position will be US. So you are expected to work during US hours, 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. 2:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So this is an US based shift, and the qualifications you need, as I already mentioned, you have to complete your management degree, and the skills and responsibilities are given here. Skills is early into career, less than 3 years of experience. Freshers are also expected. Excellent written and verbal business communication skills. Any experience in SaaS sales to the US geography is a bonus. So the people who have completed MBA or fresher graduates can apply for this job role. And the next organization is Henkel. Henkel is hiring for management trainee, MT and graduate engineer trainee. So what is Henkel? Henkel, you can make a difference and craft your career. That's why you own your projects and take full responsibility from an early stage. Our unique brands in markets around the world open up countless opportunities to follow your convictions and explore new paths. If you have an entrepreneurial mindset that allows you to always think out of the box, take the chance and shape the digital future together with us. So this is simply about Henkel. The requirements for this job role is given here in the your role option, and the qualification, the educational qualification will be must be a mechanical engineering graduate 2019 or 2020 passed out, or MBA in marketing will be an added advantage 2019 or 2020 passed out. And the extra skills for the job role is freshers also can apply, preferably automotive background, good communication skills. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can simply mail to this, and if you are eligible for this job role, you can simply click on apply now option. It will take you to the further processes. So all the links which I explained in this video are given below in the description box. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to raise a question in the comment box. So this is about today's video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friend. Keep learning.